Hello, first grade. We have something brand new to introduce to you today, something we have not yet done in first grade. It is a math tool that we can use to help us add and subtract. That math tool is called a tape diagram. What is a tape diagram? It is actually just a math tool that we can use to organize our drawings. We can use it when we add or subtract. So let's take a look at an example of how it works. Let's say that it is a hot summer day and some people go swimming in a lake. Let's go ahead and draw a picture to represent the people swimming in the lake. We see that there are 4 adults swimming in the lake, and there are 3 children swimming in the lake. So if we wanted to solve to figure out how many people were swimming in the lake, we would add the number of adults plus the number of children. Now, if you take a look at my drawing, it's already pretty organized, but we can use a tape diagram to organize it even further. Tape diagram simply is a rectangle. You'll notice that I drew a line in between the number of adults and the number of children to show the two parts. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add labels to each part so that whoever looks at my tape diagram will know exactly what I drew and what it represents. So I'm going to go ahead and add the label 4 to represent the number of adults, and I'm going to go ahead and add the label 3 to represent the number of children. Now, if I asked you what the total was, you would count them up and tell me the total. To represent this on a tape diagram, we're going to draw 2 lines going up from the top of the box, kind of similar to a number bond. At the top of these lines is where I'm going to write my total. So if you go ahead and count the number of adults plus the number of children, what is my total? That's right, 7. So I'm going to add a label of 7. Today, in our math video, you're going to learn more about these tape diagrams, and then we're going to do some practice with them in Seesaw.